Very good morning, students. In last class, we was discussing how the MLS they are making the question answer hour or how they are discussing things like that in the Legislative Assembly. Then we have started to see the working of the government. The government is working in different way and using the channels, TV channels and newspaper and the press conference. The discussion part we discuss. Okay, last paragraph of that page. During the next week, the Chief Minister and the Minister of Health visit the Patlapuram district where the MLS given the complaint about the disease diarrhea. In that area, the ministers, the Chief Minister as well as the Health Minister, they are visiting. Then they went to visit the families who had lost their relatives, also visited people in the hospitals. They are visiting two places, one in the families or houses of the people, those who died because of diarrhea, and those who are second place they visited the hospital where the people they are admitted. And the government announced a compensation. Please underline what they announced. A compensation they announced for these families. The Chief Minister also said that he thought the problem was not only one of sanitation but also the lack of clean drinking water. The Chief Minister is coming to the conclusion like that not only the hygiene problem of that local area, at the same time we want to get a proper drinking water, like that two problems he are finding out. He understood from that. He said that a high level inquiry committee will be asked to look into the need of the district to provide sanitation facilities and would request the minister for the public work to take care of the need of proper water supply in the region. Then the Chief Minister, he is giving the word to the people or promise to the people. He is appointing a committee for what to study about the needs of the particular district, how the district people they are suffering. It is related to sanitation or water problem. So ministry is appointing one of the committee to study about the problem of that area related to sanitation. Second one, he is going to Chief Minister going to request to whom public workers, public works means the it may be PWD, like that different department, for what to give the proper supply of the drinking water or clean drinking water. As you saw above, the people in power like a Chief Minister and the minister have to take action. Means we only selected our representative, and the people, those who are having power, that is Chief Minister and ministers, they should take care, they should take some of the action as early as possible. They do so through various departments, like please underline that one: Public Works Department, the Agriculture Department, Health Department, Education Department, like that. Many departments are there. The ministers, Chief Minister or other ministers, they are taking the action through different departments. They won't come and do the sanitation work. Instead of that, they will give that work to different departments, and they will implement that one. The decision taken by the government or the Chief Minister or minister, it will give to the application work that will come in the hands of the different departments. They also have answered the question that are asked in the Legislative Assembly and convince people asking the question that proper steps are being taken. So the departments, each and every department, what they want to do, they want to give answer. When the MLAs are asking question, that time the department should give answer. Where they want to give answer, that is in the Legislative Assembly. And at the same time, they are having the duty to help the people to ask the proper question or take the proper steps to get the maximum good activities from the government side. At the same time, newspaper and the media widely discuss the issues of the government has to respond, for example, by holding press conference. We have seen the example of press conference here, and he is giving the details of that one. So what the government will do after taking some of the action, they will call the press conference, and in the press conference they will give the explanation of that particular thing, or what are the steps they taken, or what is the real problem of that area, like that things. And it is giving a widely discussion, means a discussion in different point of view they are giving that related to that particular issues. So the government and the ministers, they will take the decision about some of the action that will implement by the some of the departments, and that particular department should be answerable to the ministers or MLAs when they are in the legislative assembly. And the government is taking some of the steps to respond to the people, or to show them like a showcase. They will sit in front of the press conference, and they will explain the various aspects of that particular issue. So we are moving to the next part, that is the government can also decide to make new law for the state regarding sanitation and health facilities. Please listen. Government means state government can decide what the new laws, making the laws related to the sanitation and health facilities. For example, now because of corona, the each and every state government, they are taking the taken different decisions or new laws related to the shop, opening of the shop, and traveling from one district to another district, like that. Many restrictions made, that is like a law they made. Why? Because they are having the permission to make like that, to make people's life maximum secure. For example, it may make it compulsory for municipal corporations to ensure that there are adequate toilets in every urban area in the cities. Usually when we are going to Karur or some other Salem, like that cities, we are facing the problem of going to toilet, and where public toilets are not enough in each and every area. So the municipalities, the government is giving that duty to the municipalities for what? For adequate toilets in the urban area. It may also ensure that a health worker is appointed in every village, and we know in the panchayat area, or we can see the ASHA worker or health worker, they are coming and informing many things, what are the steps we want to take and how we should protect ourselves, like that. Many things they will inform us. This act of making laws on a certain issues done in the legislative assembly of each and every state. If the state is taking some of the new law, where they will make it, that they are discussing and making the law in the legislative assembly of particular state. The various government departments then implement the law. We have seen that when the chief minister and health minister taken some of the decision on the spot when they visited the village where they was suffering the diarrhea, and that it is given to the public work department for the implementation. So the decision or the law taken by the legislative assembly, that implementing by the different departments of the government. Laws for entire country are made in the parliament. If it is in the country, for example Indian, altogether it want to do something, then that decision or the law making by the parliament, that we will study in the parliament. That lesson it is coming in the central government. We will study in 8th standard. So in 6th standard we studied about the village, panchayat and municipality, that is the local, the. Then we are study here in 7th standard, that is the state government, and 8th standard we will study that the central government. Okay, we are moving to the next part. In a democracy, it is the people who elect their representative as the member of legislative assembly. Who is electing MLAs? The people of that particular area, they are selecting their representative, and they are becoming the members of the legislative assembly. What is the full form of MLA? Member of the legislative assembly. And why we are adding S? Because many MLAs are there, and thus it is the people who have the main authority. So the authority, the people only selected the MLA, so maximum power it is in the hands of the people. The ruling party members then form the government. After the election, who is getting the majority, they are becoming the ruling party and they will form the government. Some of the members are appointed as ministers, that we have seen already, and the ministers are in charge of various departments of the government, such as health, in the above example, like the different education, like the different departments we can see, and it is given to authority, means the department head is the one of the minister, and whatever various work is done by this department has to be approved by the members of the legislative assembly. Even though one minister is the in charge of particular department, but before doing some activities related to that, some actions were taking place, before that what the minister should get, he want to get the approval from whom? The members of the legislative assembly. Problem in the members of the legislative assembly, in that ruling party as well as opposition party is there, so they want to get the permission of the opposition party as well as the ruling party. So we will continue in next video.